Hi everyone. What I have here is a picture of the graph for a phase diagram. This one happens to be for water, showing you that when the pressure changes or when the temperature changes, you are actually going between the phases. When you look at your pages 4, 5, and 6, this is the same type of diagram that you're going to want to be looking at. What I want you to notice is that at a specific atmosphere, like in this picture, 1 atmosphere, as you go across that dotted line, you're going to notice that depending on the temperature at 1 atmosphere, the substance is a solid, a liquid, or a gas. So if you look at the 2 dotted lines from 1 atmosphere and 100 degrees Celsius, that's showing you where it breaks and changes from liquid to gas. If I go up that 0.01 degrees Celsius, and if I went straight up at 1 atmosphere, water is in a liquid state. But if I go to 0 degrees, just to the left of that, now water is solid. Okay? The other thing I want you to notice is the triple point at 0.006 atmospheres at 0.01 degrees Celsius. That's when all 3 phases of matter are showing up at the same time in equal amounts. That's the big key. It's all in equal amounts. If you notice that that temperature is lower, anything lower than 0.01, as you go lower with the pressure, solid can go straight to gas. Remember, that's called sublimation. Or if you were in the gas phase and you go straight to a solid, there's no chance of going through that liquid phase. That's called deposition. Hope this helps you guys to understand your graphs a little bit more.